chase him all the way over here?
I didn't really chase him. What? Don't run away. What is that? What's going on? Mittens. Some snow? Oh, yummy. Oh, it's delicious. I just want to eat my mittens. What? Why are you... My mittens are getting stiff. Oh, babe. What are we doing? You big boy? You happy? That's a happy boy. The snow came back. Yay.
Ah, God. I hate it when the
Are you
snow
trying
gets
to
in my
catch
eye.
snow?
No.
Thanks. That was cute. I wish we had a fenced yard. We could just play. Where's Logan going?